Hey everybody, this is Libby. I just got my iPad and I'm taking a video. This is Mama. Mama, say hi.
Hi.
Okay. And that's Papa and Emmy. Papa and Emmy, say hi.
Hey.
Emmy's hiding behind the computer. We're doing some gifts. It's almost Christmas time. It's December 14th and it's Mama Kate's birthday?
Yes.
Yeah, it's Mama Kate's birthday.
She's having a great birthday with Jesus.
Yeah, she's not here today, but she's in heaven. She's probably having a great birthday with Jesus. And so we're exchanging some presents, and I have some accessories today, and I just got some accessories in a new case.
And what did Mama get?
Mama, she got her new camera. Mama, can you try to show the camera to us?
Well, not right now.
Where's the camera?
Ooh, winter
Okay,
cranberry.
here, we are getting my Papa's secretary's, Christmas gifts ready, and, I just got a text. You already have some, and it's soap.
Here you go, Daddy.
It's soap.
Did you just text me?
Here's some winter cranberry. I'll look for some of my favorite. I think it's the candy apple.
It's from Mom. You ain't got Mom.
But I'm so excited about my new iPad. And Mama, show them that little gift thing that you definitely want your presents in. Show them that thing. It's funny.
Libby made this when she was in kindergarten, I think, K5, and Mary lost her hair, but we love her anyway. She's the mother of
That's right.
our Savior.
Woo!
Let me name your
Bye.
iPad and
Okay. Bye, everybody.
give it a name.